Good morning, dear children. This is your maths teacher. Now take out your maths textbook and open page number 30. So, dear children, yesterday we have seen a various pattern of numbers. So, today we are also going to see some patterns regarding to this lesson number 5 patterns. So, let's take a look. So, dear children, look at this picture. What you have seen? We are seeing that there are some patterns are drawn here. A similar patterns there. That means a line of kites, then again the line of flowers, then again the line of kites, and then again the line of flowers are here. Okay. So, this is known as the pattern. That similar patterns are you can see in any kind of sari or clothes or bed sheet. So these all are the patterns. Understood? So now what comes next? So what comes next, it is the one of the example of pattern. So here one apple is there, then one mango is there, then after that again we have to draw apple, then mango. Understood? Then again we can draw apple and then mango, then again apple, then mango. Understood? So this is the pattern of any kind of picture. Understood? Then look at this picture again. We have one flower, then leaf, then again flower, then a leaf. Then what will come next? Again flower, then leaf, then again flower, then leaf. Understood? Then again flower, then leaf. So these all are the patterns. You should know what comes next according to the pattern. Then look at this picture. Can you draw what comes next? Yes, there is one up arrow, then down arrow, then again up arrow, then again down arrow. Now what comes next? Yes, up arrow, then again down arrow. Okay, in this type you can complete these patterns of arrows. That means up arrow, then down arrow, then up arrow, then down arrow. You can also use the another pattern regarding to the or using the arrows. For example, two up arrows, then two down arrows. Okay, then what comes next? Again two up arrows, then again down arrows. Okay, so this is the pattern. You can also make a various kind of pattern you using various kind of pictures. Understood? Now carefully observe these patterns. Here some semicircles are given. Okay, one is facing upward, one is facing down, one is facing upward, the other one is facing down. Then what comes next? Yes, one is facing upward, then again one is facing down. Understood? Just like this, just like this. Understood? So this is the pattern. As I shown you in previous slide, you can also use the other pattern. Okay. For example, you can also do this, this, then again you can do this, then upward, then two will be facing down. Okay, so this is also comes under the patterns. Understood? I'll draw it again for you. Facing upward, then two are facing downward, then one is facing upward, then two are facing downward, then again you can do one is facing upward, then two are facing downward, one is facing upward and two are facing downward. So this will become the pattern. Understood? Now look at this picture again. There are some arrows are given upward, downward, upward, downward. Then again the angles are upward, downward. Okay, upward, downward, upward and downward. So in this type you can easily complete the patterns here. Now again observe this picture. One T upward, then another one will be the downward, then again upward, then downward. What will come next? Yes, again upward, then downward. Understood? In this type you can do this upward and downward or any kind of picture in pattern. Understood? You can also do or you can also apply the other patterns also. For example, one pattern is given here, upward, downward, upward, downward. Okay, but you can also apply that is upward, downwards, upwards. Okay, this is also the another pattern. I will show you again. T, T upward, then 2T will be downwards, upwards, then downwards. Okay, this is one pattern. Then you can also do T, 2T as downwards, then 1T is upward, then again 2 T's are downward, then again 1T is upward, then 2 T's are downwards. In this type you can add or you can do the another pattern also. Okay, understood? If you have any problem regarding to these patterns, you can ask me. Then observe this picture again. Can you draw what comes next? Yes, two leaves are there, then again one flower, again two leaves, then again one flower. Then what comes next? Yes, again two leaves. Okay, then you can also draw two leaves, one flower, two leaves, one flower. In this type you can complete these patterns. Okay, so can you draw the another pattern using this similar picture? If you can draw it in your copy and show me. That means you have to just click the photos and send it to me so that I can understand that you are getting this pattern system or not. Understood? Then look at this picture. Here we have given circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, then again triangle, then again you can add circle, then again you can add triangle. Okay, so these things will go on, this thing will go on. Okay, so that is the pattern. Then this is also the one of the pattern. You can see in one picture there is only square is drawn. Okay, then in another picture on this square two semicircles are drawn. Okay, then in third picture with that square three circles are drawn. Okay, then what should come next? What comes next? That is circle, and four semicircle is there. Okay, one square and four semicircles will be there. Okay, so this is one of the pattern. Okay, so dear children, this is it for today's video. I hope you are understanding what is the patterns. Okay, if you have any problem regarding to the patterns, you can ask me. So what you have to do, children, you have to just draw various kind of patterns in your own copy so that you can easily understood what is the pattern is. Okay, जब तक कि आप ड्रॉ करके देखोगे नहीं, आपको वो कंसेप्ट क्लियर नहीं होगा. तो आपको आपके कॉपी में जो है बहुत सारे पैटर्न्स जो है वो ड्रॉ करके देखने हैं. जैसे कि मैंने अपने स्लाइड्स में, अपने वीडियो में मैंने एग्जाम्पल्स के तौर पे आपको बहुत सारे पैटर्न्स दिए हैं. वो भी पैटर्न, सेम पैटर्न आप यूज़ कर सकते हो और वो आपके कॉपी में ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, या फिर आप अपने मन से कोई दूसरे पैटर्न्स भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो ताकि आपको ये जो पैटर्न का कंसेप्ट है वो आपको इजीली समझ में आए. So dear children, this is it for today's video. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me anytime. So till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.